XPEV stock tomorrow. Easy to buy. Let's see where is Xpeng stock going for the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Xpeng sitting at $9.38. It's overall up to date like 15%, which is a good amount. But to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you this because that's the truth, and I've documented everything. With XPEV, previously I've got overall net positive for it with my predictions and stuff because I got plus 3R W, then minus 1R L, which is a loss, then another win, which was plus 2R. So just combine all these numbers, then they deduct this one R. It comes out to be plus 4R, So I'm come overall up on this. The idea is that I'm still pretty bearish there, like, hence I have this line pointing down here, so I'm going to move it a little bit to the side. But yeah, man, like, this is still really in the way. So honestly, if it's here, and if the price starts giving me the rules inside here, I'm honestly still taking it lower. So I'm just gonna put a wait sign because it doesn't give me, if it doesn't, I'm waiting for my rules to be met. This is obviously not financial advice, and do your own due diligence. For 100% free course, check the first link in the description.